Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Jeep Wrangler's Bluetooth. First, make sure your Jeep is on and the radio is active. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature, usually found in the settings. Then, navigate to the Uconnect system on your Jeep's touchscreen display. This is the starting point for a seamless connection. Once in the Uconnect menu, select the phone or Bluetooth option. You will then see an option to pair device or add device. Choose this to begin. Your Jeep will then search for your phone. A 6-digit pairing code will appear on both your Jeep's screen and your phone. Confirm these codes match to complete the secure connection. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy several convenient features. You can make hands-free calls using simple voice commands or by touching the screen, keeping your focus on the road. Additionally, stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your Jeep's sound system. You can also manage your phone's contacts and review call history right from the Uconnect display. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable. Sometimes, deleting old, unused devices from your Uconnect system can resolve connection problems. If all else fails, try restarting both your mobile phone and your Jeep's Uconnect system. For specific model details, always consult your Jeep Wrangler's owner's manual for the most accurate information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.